welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing this face for the very first time, hi, my name is Ritisha and I hope you guys are doing fantastic. So welcome to my face shaving routine video. Now this video has been in the pipeline since forever, I would say, and I just thought it's high time I need to sit down and make this video for you guys. So basically in today's video I'll be sharing with you guys my face shaving routine, and I'll be also recommending you guys products which are going to keep you away from acne, because I know सबका major concern यही होता है that shaving is going to break you out. So I have made sure that I'm going to use all the anti-acne products and all the winter friendly products also, because I'm shooting this video in winters. That's that. Now without any further ado, let's just jump into today's video. So now that we are up close and personal, let's just start with the face shaving routine. So let me just quickly show you guys how my skin looks like, and also I'll be looking over there because udhar mera mirror hai. So yeah, this is how my skin looks like. As you can see, पूरा area एकदम flaky हो चुका है because that's the amount of dryness my skin has, and winter में तो band बच जाता है मेरी skin का. So yeah, this is as real as it can get. Now I'm going to just fix everything. I'm going to shave my face, add some hydration. The first product that I'm going to share with you guys is a cleanser. Obviously we're going to start with cleansing our face. So this is from a new brand which I recently tried for the first time, and मतलब मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि this is such an underrated brand, you guys. So the brand that I'm talking about is Bella Vita Organic. So it's a new age Ayurveda brand, and all their products are made up of effective natural ingredients. So I just thought that this is the best video जिधर मैं आपको ये products सारे बता सकती हूँ, because again as I mentioned in the intro also I'm going to share with you guys all the anti-acne products. So the first product I'm going to use from the brand is the Bella Vita Organics New Age Ayurveda Sea Glow Face Wash, which has vitamin C, sandalwood, honey, coffee, neem, lemon, basically all the natural ingredients. So it also helps you to control oil production, anti-acne, detans, brightens, soothes your skin, and it's for all skin type. So let me quickly talk about this product, you guys. First things first, I really love the packaging. It's very simple, clean, and on to the point, I would say. As soon as you open this, सारे नेचुरल इंग्रेडिएंट्स जो मैंने अभी रीड किया उसका स्मेल आपको आ जाएगा. सो देखो, इट हैज अ जेल लाइक टेक्सचर, एंड आई फील बिकॉज इट्स विंटर यू हैव टू यूज एवरी प्रोडक्ट विच इज गोइंग टू एड मॉइस्चर टू योर स्किन, स्पेशली व्हेन यू आर अ ड्राई स्किन टाइप लाइक मी. आई वुड से सारे प्रोडक्ट्स जो आपको हाइड्रेटिंग फील कर रहा है कि ना विंटर्स के टाइम, यू हैव टू रीच आउट फॉर देम. So obviously for my base product I'm using the best face wash for winters. So let me just quickly start by cleansing my face. Just because it has a gel like texture, it is going to give you guys that instant calmness on your skin. So आपका skin आपको बहुत ऐसा मस्त calming effect देगा once you apply this. As I said, इधर मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा dry feel हो रहा है, तो I'm just going to massage इधर अच्छे से, so that मेरे स्किन को एक अच्छा मॉइस्चराइज्ड बेस मिले बिफोर वी गो ऑन विथ मोर प्रोडक्ट्स एंड प्रेप इट फॉर द फेस शेविंग. Whenever you prep your skin for shaving your face, make sure आप अच्छे क्वालिटी के प्रोडक्ट यूज कर रहे हो. So Bella Vita Organic के products, they are of good freaking quality, and that's why I'm using this while doing the most important monthly routine, that is my face shaving routine. I feel so refreshed. Like as you can see, इधर का जो पूरा ड्राइनेस था वो गायब हो चुका है. सो दैट्स द अमाउंट ऑफ हाइड्रेशन एक स्टेप ने मुझे दिया, दैट इज द क्लेंजर. सो बेसिकली आई फॉरगॉट टू मेंशन, आई एम सो सॉरी. सो बिफोर वी स्टार्ट आवर face shaving, we have to prep our skin, because prepping up our skin is the key to have a smooth face shaving experience. So ये सारा जो मैं आपको steps बताऊंगी, these are the steps which I love to do before I just move to my face shaving. I don't directly dive into face shaving. I need to prep my skin up. So that's what I'm doing. So the second step that I'm going to go in with is using a lip scrub. This is an additional step which I love to do during winters, because again as I said, this is my problematic area. I face a lot of dryness, so obviously I don't want my skin to have dryness when I'm shaving my face, so I'm just preparing it up for that. So I'm going to use the Bella Vita Organics New Age Ayurveda Nicole Lips Lip Lightening Scrub Balm. This is how the product looks like. I'll quickly show it to you on my hand so that you understand the texture. Like it has a tint to it and it obviously has granules जो आपको help करेंगे scrub करने में आपके lips को. Now I love doing this step because मेरा जो lip area है वो बहुत ज़्यादा dry हो जाता है and I face chapped lips. So I'm just making sure that I remove all the dead skin from my lips and I get a fresh set of pink lips. So now I'm going to use a cloth and scrub it out अच्छे से because I don't like to use my fingers because I feel cloth does a nicer job. इसका जो टेक्सचर है वो यूजुअल लिप बाम से ना थोड़ा थिक है, सो आई रियली लाइक इट एंड हेंस आई फील ये सुपर विंटर फ्रेंडली प्रोडक्ट है. कैन यू सी द पिंक टिंट इट हैज एडेड टू माई लिप्स. ये कुछ ज्यादा ही बाहर लग गया गाइस, डोंट बी केयरलेस लाइक आई एम. So this is how my lips looks like after using the lip scrub and I feel very nice. Now again we are going to go and use a scrub because it's winter. I'm using a product which is going to give me 3-in-1 benefits. So the product that I'm going to use as a scrub is the Bella Vita Organic New Age Ayurveda Glowy Mask plus Scrub plus Cleanser. So 3-in-1 product hai ye. So this exfoliates, smoothens, brightens, has walnut, pink clay and rose as well. So just because this has pink clay, this is going to help you to actually, you know what, I'll talk about the benefits once I am done so that you can literally see कि मैं क्या बात कर रही हूँ. So let's just start applying this product. It also comes with a brush, so this is how the brush looks like, which is obviously a plus point again. Make sure you wash the brush. Now I'm just going to quickly start taking must amount. Oh my god, this is so cooling, calming, all the good things. I feel this step is the most important step because इसके बाद we are directly going to go and start shaving our face. If you are into shaving your skin or if you want to start with face shaving, this is the product that you need to invest in because this is going to definitely prep your skin for what's coming. This is the one product I would highly recommend. Even if you use this product individually ना, ये आपको एक अच्छा सा glow दे देगा. Like just wait and watch the effects that this product leaves on my face once I wash it out. I really love इसका texture and this brush का quality is also super duper nice, you guys. I know I'm just raving about this brand, but I really love their products. It's my job to make you guys aware of affordable, good quality brands in the market. So Bella Vita Organic is something that has topped my list because I really love this brand too much. So guys, now I'm just going to let this mask sit in and I'm just going to allow my skin to absorb all the hydration this mask has to give. So yeah, I'll catch you guys after 10 minutes. Just a plug-in, you guys. Now if you are into shaving your body, you can definitely add the Bella Vita Organic Exfoliate Face and Body Scrub Grid to your body shaving routine. Now this scrub is made up of walnut, coffee, coconut oil and rock salt. Now all these ingredients are super effective when you want to exfoliate your body, so hence they are going to help you to detan your skin and also going to help you to remove dead flaky skin from your body and moreover obviously take care of your ingrowth hair. The scrub is super gentle on your body, plus it's a very affordable and a travel friendly product. Okay, so the mask is finally dry. I cannot speak properly because I cannot open my mouth ज़्यादा. So yeah, as you can see ये पूरा dry हो चुका है. Now I'm just going to start scrubbing it gently. Obviously I'm going to use some water. So the granules that this 3-in-1 mask has, they are very gentle on your skin, so again they are not going to break you out. So I like to use a face scrub before I shave my face is because obviously I like to get rid of all the ingrown hair, and obviously when you scrub your face you get rid of all the dead skin cells as well. So मेरा सारा काम एक ही झटके में हो जाता है. I'm just going to go off camera and get rid of my mask because on camera बहुत time लग जाएगा. So yeah, be right back. I've taken off my mask, you guys, and this is how my skin looks like. It feels so smooth, it feels so soft. I feel this mask has done everything that it claims. It has exfoliated my skin, it has given me a smoother texture, and it has also brightened up my skin, because as you can see I am already glowing before I shaved my face. So yeah, as I said, ये individually भी product बहुत अच्छे से काम करेगा, just because it has pink clay in it. इसने मेरे सारे pores को अच्छे से minimize किया, because pink clay has that property. So I would say if skincare में primer होता ना, ये प्रोडक्ट पक्का एज अ प्राइमर काम करता है. सो इफ यू आर समवन हु फेसेस pores issue as well, you can definitely use this product if you're not into face shaving. But right now I have prepped my face properly for face shaving. I feel very hydrated, moisturized. So let's just start with our face shaving, and for that I have already tied my hair into a bun, because I don't like my hair coming on my face while I am face shaving. Let me quickly show you guys what all tools you need for face shaving. So by tools I mean you only need razors. So these are the razors that I got from Miniso. So since so my god, I was serious. So as I was saying, I like to use Miniso razors. So this is how they look like. Now Miniso razors always comes in pack of 2 or pack of 3. Again, they're very inexpensive. So I got 3 for 150, and yeah, this is how they look like. I recently got them. This was the first time that I had a bad experience with Miniso. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but इधर है ना कुछ ऐसा hairy सा कुछ तो अटका है उधर, या कुछ तो है उधर, that it is like irritating me so much, because I have been someone who has been using Miniso blades for the longest period of time, and I don't know, I really felt bad. So guys, whenever you are buying razors, make sure you double check them. Now obviously you cannot check them in the shop itself, but whenever you're getting them home, make sure you are checking them before you use it on your face. So hence I wanted to give you guys a heads up that make sure your razor blades are good, are of good quality. And I would like to give Miniso the benefit of doubt, because this is the first time it's happening to me, and as I said, I have been using their blades since forever, like the razors since forever, but this is not acceptable for me. So yeah, make sure you are double checking them. कुछ stain वगैरह हो तो फेंक देना रेजर्स को. इवन आई एम गोइंग टू डंप दिस, बट आई जस्ट हैड टू शो दिस टू यू गाइज. ये एक ही रेजर है जो अच्छा निकला है पूरे लॉट से. सो दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक. मस्त. आई जस्ट गॉट दिस बिकॉज इसका मेरे को पैकेजिंग है इसका मस्त लगा एकदम. इट्स वेरी नाइस. इसका बॉडी इज वेरी नाइस. सो एज यू कैन सी, इसका जो ब्लेड है, मेक श्योर यू आर बाइंग रेजर जिसके ब्लेड ऐसे हो, जो कर्वी टेक्सचर वाले ब्लेड हो. इफ यू बाय ब्लेड जो ऐसे स्ट्रेट ब्लंट कट वाले हो, यू आर फॉर श्योर गोना cut yourself. Like if you are someone who's going to start face shaving now after watching this video, or you just started the journey, make sure you invest in such blades. So yeah, that's just a heads up. Now before we start using this blade, the first thing that you have to do is clean them. So I'm just going to take a cotton pad and use some micellar water to clean it, because you have to maintain hygiene, you guys. Anything and everything that is going to bring you close to a breakout, you have to take care of it, right? So I'm just going to use this Bioderma ka micellar water. Once your razor is clean, you are good to go. Now you can use this. I'm going to go in with aloe vera gel. Now you can use any aloe vera gel, but I have been using this product since forever, I would say. So this is the Mamaearth aloe vera turmeric gel with pure aloe vera and turmeric for skin and hair. This has been my ride or die product. Now just because this has turmeric in it, it is going to heal your cuts. If you cut yourself, it is going to heal it. So that's why I like to use this. I have seen people use serum also, but this is something that has been working for me, so I love to stick with my aloe vera gel. Also there is this thing called as dry shaving. So dry shaving mein what you do, you directly go and use a razor on your face. I won't recommend that to you guys, because फिर ना आप क्लियरली वो ब्लेड को ग्लाइड नहीं कर पाओगे, एंड अच्छे से आप वो बालों को निकाल भी नहीं पाओगे. आई रिमेम्बर मैंने ना 1-2 बार ड्राई शेविंग किया है, एंड इट डिड नॉट डू एनीथिंग ऑन माई फेस. अच्छे से मेरा पीच फस निकला भी नहीं, कुछ नहीं हुआ, एंड आई फील वो पीच फस इधर उधर उड़ने लगा. सो व्हेन यू ड्राई शेव ऑल्सो ना, वो उड़ते रहता है. So it's better for hygienic purpose also, and for you to have a good experience, make sure you are always using something. So the easiest option and the safest option is aloe vera gel. So yeah, this is how it looks like. तो मैं पूरे चेहरे पे नहीं थोपने वाली हूँ. I'm just going to take ये side first, and then side by side छोटे छोटे parts में I'm going to start shaving. So this is the part that I'm going to start shaving my face. So मैं जितने part में पहले shave करूँगी ना, वही part में I'm going to apply this, because if you apply this throughout your face, it is going to dry out. So मतलब ही नहीं बनता उसका, right? Okay. So again, keep a cotton pad handy. Now take your fingers and just pull this upar, yeah, pull this down, whatever works for you. I like to do a combination. So this is how I like to hold my razor, and you just have to go in downwards direction. Now ऐसे छोटे छोटे strokes देना. Make sure you're going only in one direction. ऐसे ऊपर नीचे मत जाना. So if you're going in this direction, which is the ideal direction for face shaving, keep on going on this direction. Don't do ऐसे. So I've removed itna sara. I am so sorry if that grosses you out, but my camera stopped filming when I did this side. So yeah. While you're doing near your eyebrows, make sure you are very, very careful. Guys, fun fact, if you don't know this about me, I had unibrows forever. Like till 12th, I had unibrows. Yeah. Till my 18th birthday, I had unibrows. Can you believe that? Like my mother did not allow me to get rid of them. For my eyebrows, I like to get it threaded, but whenever I am doing face shaving, जो excess होता है ना इधर का, वो मैं हटा देती हूँ. नहीं तो बाकी I don't fidget with them, so I just like to remove the excess only. I recently did my eyebrows in my Udaipur preparation vlog video, so इसलिए इतना growth नहीं आया है इधर. So yeah, I like to keep the angle as it is. I don't like to mess with my angle. So whenever you're shaving over here, make sure you're only using the half of the blade. So make sure you're only using this much of the blade, so that you stay as far as possible from your hairline and just get rid of all the hair over here. Now I am someone who gets her upper lip waxed, but right now for this video I'm going to show it to you guys how I did it in the pandemic जब salons बंद थे. I'm just going to push this part with my tongue like this, and then मैं पूरा razor ऐसे अच्छे से घुमा दूँगी. So that's the easy peasy technique I do. Again, I'm gonna take the micellar water and put it on the cotton pad, and I'm just going to swipe it throughout my face. So अगर कुछ hair बच गया होगा तो वो इसमें आ जाएगा. Bioderma's micellar water is the best freaking micellar water ever, and it is not going to break you out whatsoever. So you can use this micellar water as a toner as well, but I'm going to go in and use another toner because again I need that hydration. So for the toner I'm going to use the Good Vibes Rose Toner. By far मैंने ये पूरा खत्म कर दिया है, इतना सा ही बचा. I have already spoken about this specific toner in one of my videos. I'll link it over here and mention it in the description box below so that you can go and check it out. Oh, I feel so good. So after the toner, I'm going to go and use a serum. Now this has been my OG since 2 years, you guys. I feel random कोई भी skincare video उठा के देख लोगे ना, I have made sure that I mention this product. So this is the Mamaearth Skin Correct Face Serum with niacinamide and ginger extract. B3 plus for acne marks and scars. Again, I'll link the video over here somewhere or in the description box below so that you can go and check the in detail review of this product. So whenever I'm done with my face shaving, I like to continue with my skincare routine because again, you guys, I love to have that extra hydration once I'm done with the extraction of hair from my face. So I'm just going to top it off with some serum. I'm just going to pat it very nice on my face. So now that all my pores are closed, my skin has absorbed the serum. Now the last step for the day for the face shaving routine is obviously using a moisturizer, and for that I'm going to use the Bella Vita Organic New Age Ayurveda Glotion Face and Body Butter Lotion. Now this has shea and cocoa butter with vitamin E, natural repair, deeply moisturize, glows and brighten. So we need all the good things जो ये provide करने वाला है skin पे. Guys, make sure you are always topping your skin with a good moisturizer after completing your shaving routine. I feel this is definitely the best step to end your shaving routine because of its smell, you guys, because it's definitely going to give you that aromatherapy that you deserve. It smells so good. Like, I just wish I could make you smell this product. So this is how iska texture looks like. You know, the best part about this is that it is not at all greasy. So just because it is a face and body lotion, at times जो दो combined lotions होता है वो greasy होता है, but ये बिल्कुल ऐसा नहीं है. This brand deserves a lot of recognition, you guys. I feel ये लोग ने ज़्यादा marketing किया ही नहीं है, so hence I just feel that I need to share their products with you guys because the quality of their product is just super duper amazing. So I'm just going to gently massage the moisturizer in. It definitely does justice to the name Glotion because look at the glow जो मेरे पूरे स्किन पे आपको दिख रहा है. एंड ऑल्सो इसका जो प्लस पॉइंट है, यू अप्लाई दिस, you don't have to reapply this even in winters. Like for the longest time I used to reapply my moisturizers because मेरा skin dry है, so I don't have to reapply any moisturizer once I apply this. My skin is hydrated, nourished, and yeah, I just feel this is the moisturizer you need for winters. And Bella Vita Organic जितने भी products है ना वो 2-in-1 है ना तो 3-in-1 है, so that is their USP. That is, I feel that is something that attracted me to their brand. I'll be linking all the products which I have mentioned in the shaving routine in the description box below, so you know the drill. If you love any product and if you love their mini reviews which I kept giving you, go and hit the link in the description box below. I pretty much sums up my shaving routine. I've been shaving my face once I turned 18, so 3 years I've been following this shaving routine itself. So as you saw also while I was removing my hair, मेरा hair growth इतना नहीं है, so just a heads up. I hope my shaving routine was helpful for you guys. I have used all my favorite products which I know that you can take my word for. I think that's that. You know the drill. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video on YouTube. Go and fatafat follow me on my Instagram. I have been posting a lot of content from my Udaipur trip, and make sure again you're subscribing to my channel because obviously I'm going to post long format videos from Udaipur on my YouTube channel. So yeah, you guys, I'll see you in my next video. Until then, live and live. Take care.